Telus Spring Preview event.
My name is Glenn Kennedy. I'm with Motorola Mobility Canada Limited, and we're here today showing the Motorola Xoom. This is a new product from Motorola. As you can see, it's a brand new tablet. We're very excited about this one. In addition to winning many awards, it comes with a lot of great high-end features. And so the features that it really comes with is really high power, first of all. The processing power is a dual-core 1 gigahertz processor. It comes with 1 gigabyte of RAM so that you can do multitasking and have a lot of applications going at the same time. It comes on board with 32 gigabytes of hard drive or memory, and also a memory card slot so that you can include additional memory card in the future. So as you can see, the display, it's a great big display, and it's actually 10.1 inches. And it's 1280 by 800 pixels in terms of its resolution, and it's high definition WXGA. So this Motorola Xoom uses the Android 3.0 Honeycomb operating system, and one of the great things that they have built into it is multitasking. Right down here in the bottom left-hand corner of the display, you can see a back button. Wherever you are in the menu, you can click that and go back one level, or you can get right back to the home screen by clicking the home button. Or this third one is really neat, it's for multitasking. So sure enough, you can click on that and you can see there's different options that these are applications that have been recently opened. So if I wanted to jump to the browser menu, for example, or to the browser application, I can just go and click on that and we'll go right to browser. And then you can jump from tab to tab to tab. Here's one on specifically on the NFL, and here's one on NHL. And you can just bounce between different tabs. You can see across the top, there's lots of different tabs available. So Multitab Browsing is another great feature. And also from the home screen, another great thing that you can do, it starts up here in the top right-hand corner of the display. There's a little plus sign, and what that allows you to do is customize your 5 home screen panels. By clicking on that, you actually see the 5 panels at the top of the screen, and then you see all the different options of things that you can put on them. That includes widgets, or app shortcuts, or wallpaper, or a more category for other things. So specifically in widgets, if we wanted to add, we'll pick one here. We'll scroll over and we'll take latitude. If we wanted to take latitude and drag it onto the home screen and put it maybe right about there, then you can see it's done that. If we go back to the home screen now, we will in fact have a latitude. This is a sign-in window for latitude right on the home screen. And of course we can grab that and we can move it. We can put it wherever we want or slide it over to the next home screen over. It's also got a really great multimedia capability. It's got the 5 megapixel facing outward, a 2 megapixel camera facing inward, so it will work really well with voice over IP for a Skype app, for example. And the video player is great as well. We've got a great, if I pull up the gallery for a moment, this is a video that's just been running. I'll just start it here. And you can see very good quality resolution. This happens to be just a little Disney video. And I'll raise the volume up a little bit. I'll put it back down. So there's a really good quality video that's playing. Let's pause that. And we'll go back to home screen. So as you can see on the front of the face, we've got our big display that we've been talking about. You've got a front-facing camera right at the very top there, and that's 2 megapixels. And you can see it's very clean, a very narrow border around the outside of the edge, leaving a lot of space for the display itself. I'll turn it to one side here, and you can see this outside panel. Very clean. The only thing is 2 buttons at the top here. You can see an up-down volume button, and those are the only external buttons on the device itself. The opposite side to this has nothing on the outside at all, just clean. So I'll go to the top of the device now. Here's the top of the device. You can see you've got a standard 3.5 millimeter headset jack. And then right here is a little slot where both the future, for devices that will be coming with a modem, a 3G modem, there will be a spot there to place your SIM card. And also the SD card will go in that little slot as well. This simply pops up, and you can put your SIM card and your memory card in there, and that can be closed up. On the bottom of the device now, there are a couple of things here to show. First of all, this is right here at the edge of my finger is a single port charger pin. Next are some pogo pins if you drop the device in a desktop, in a cradle, a dock. Next is an HDMI port for a cable, 1080p out of the device. And lastly, there is a micro USB slot so that you can carry copy content to and from your PC. And lastly, on the back of the device, I'll turn it around and you can see here's your 5 megapixel camera facing outward, your flash, and your power button, and also the wake up button. And lastly, we've got stereo speakers on both the left side and the right side here to give really good audio. So in closing, this is the Motorola Xoom. We're very excited to talk about it today. It will be coming soon in the market, and we are here with Telus to show about its capability with the Wi-Fi product working with a smartphone that has at least the Android 2.2 Froyo software so that you can have the hotspot capability. Very exciting product, really high power, really great new platform, and great portability.